Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, is a slightly different unboxing. As you see, they are from Coach. But these are tiny boxes, so we get to take a look to see what's inside. I love the Coach packaging, of course, and let me make sure that it's all in the camera shot view. The little card that they give, thank you for shopping at Coach. Excuse me. And then this, I believe, is all that's in here. Make sure I'm not throwing anything away. Just, excuse me, tissue paper and the box itself. All right, so let's see what the first item is. And if you all are watching my video and you are not subscribed and you feel like you may want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Welcome back, and thank you so much for returning to my current subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. All right, you all. So I have a Lord God. I have a Coach wristlet, and so I guess that's the difference in the, I'm wondering if that's the difference in the boxes for Coach retail versus outlet, but we'll see. But I think both of these came from Coach itself. But back to the wristlet, you all. So this one is, let's see if it has the color on here. I know it's rust. So yes, it has tan rust there at the top, and signature canvas or canvas signature small wristlet. Excuse me, even though it says small, to me this is a good size. And I love this leather center here on it. The leather piping to match that goes around. And then the signature canvas as well. I do have a matching bag to this that I am going to share in a separate video. This particular video, I wanted to get the small boxes out of the way. So I'm actually opening the accessory before I open the bag. So you see the pull tab there, the brass C on the center of the leather. And I love how they have every piece fully wrapped. No pieces left behind, unwrapped or exposed. So the hang tag is wrapped. You see it says Coach there, New York. And then the strap. I guess I could have left the box there to put the paper in. And I saw this wristlet in Dillard's and as well as on Amazon. They're the same price across the board. Even for Prime Day, this this wristlet did not go on sale. So I said, well, I might as well go ahead and get it. It doesn't look like there's a difference in the price regardless of where it's purchased. So I just went ahead and got it directly from Coach. The one at Dillard's, they only had one in store. And I think I may have seen like a flaw or something on the leather. So it wasn't urgent. So I just went ahead and ordered it directly from Coach instead. And then the one on Amazon, the picture, it shows, maybe it's just a bad picture, but the leather looks darker than it actually is in person. So I just went ahead and passed on that one and got this one directly again from Coach. So the inside It does have 2 card slots, and that's really it for the interior. I can see if it will hold my cell phone or not. So let's see. It says it's small, but I think it will. Let me see if I go that way. Not quite. My cell phone is, I believe it's right under 7 inches. So if you have a smaller phone, it will fit. But this one doesn't look like it's gonna go in there. Oh well. So I won't be putting my cell phone in here, but I'm sure I have other items that will fit in here just fine. So that is the first item, which is this beautiful canvas small wristlet. Beautiful accessory. Okay, so I will lay this one here in the background and let that one chill and see what's in this box. Okay, so we do have another thank you for shopping at Coach card. And I don't think anything else is in here. But if you can tell by this little bag here, then you know that there is a little cute charm inside. So let's see which one it is. I guess that may be the code for it, but I don't think so. So let's unwrap it, y'all. Did this just pull off or not? Okay, y'all. So if you see the brass so far, you probably have it figured out. And I noticed that Coach makes these available, then they sell out or disappear, and then they come back. So I'm glad that I was able to catch it when it was on. And it's kind of the Coach website as well as dealers, they kind of at the same time they have them and then they don't. But this is the signature C in the color brass. Excuse me. I have another box coming, so I may add that one to this particular video, so that you can see other charms as well that I was able to catch before they sold out. But this is the brass one, and it does have the actual key ring itself that says Coach on it, and then it has the actual Coach little plate hang tag there, and then the actual, I'm not sure, I can't even think of the word for this part here, to hang on the onto your bag. But it's a good size. It does look bigger online, but it's not. I know they have a smaller version of it, but just to kind of in comparison to this one to see the difference in the sizes. So that you can get an idea of the size of the charm if you don't already have it. This one has been around for a while. And like I said, my other box, once that one comes, I will probably just add that to this video. So this one will just be pretty much accessories, Coach accessories. So you all, I will go ahead and end the video here. And if I get the other box here pretty soon, stay tuned. Don't click off of the video because there's going to be a third box added. So this video will continue. But I'll go ahead and end for this part 1 of the same video. And just say thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video, which may be in a few seconds if I've added to this one. If not, it'll be a separate video. But again, thank you so much for watching. And as always, you all have a very, very wonderful day.